starting off the vlog where we always do, at the gas station, filling up again after a few nights in Mexico, but we're getting back to it. So let's go ahead and fill it up. We're gonna go ahead and switch back from 95 to 91, and we're gonna go ahead and actually head over to Fresno. All right, guys, so go ahead and see, taking out this lift right here. So we're gonna go ahead and ship it over to the new shop. VA Performance is gonna go ahead and be getting a nice upgrade.
Right about when you get to the school side, that's about a quarter of a mile. I'm afraid I'm gonna go for it. Whipple superchargers, right? We got him.
Alrighty guys, so this is the new shop. As you guys can see, the 3 lifts right there, and we're bringing the other one from the other shop and putting it over there.
Hey, go. I can see my house from here. Hey, if I pee right now, I gotta get in right here. Oh shit! Are you scared? No, I'm going on a fall. Are you okay? Go. We gonna die together.
Say hi to the camera.
Hey, get down. Fuck you. Come down real quick. Come down. Fuck you.
New shop is way bigger. You go ahead and see, fitting in 4 lifts. I got my new tires right there. More ET Street. If you want to get some deals on some tires, slide in the DMs. Hers, his, or mine. We'll send you the right way.
We're gonna do this. We're gonna walk it first from my right side.
I got that on camera.
So we'll take a video of this and send it to my girlfriend so she actually sees me working. That's cool, you're gonna be on the YouTube video.